Hey there, welcome to our video on deep learning application in cryptography and cybersecurity. In today's digital age, where the cyber threats are on the rise, keeping the sensitive information secure of utmost importance. That's where cryptography and cybersecurity come in. And with the advent of deep learning, this field has a tremendous advancement in recent years. Let's dive into some of the ways deep learning is being used in cryptography and cybersecurity. 1. Intrusion Detection System. An intrusion detection system is a security tool that monitors network traffic for send and unauthorized access or malicious activity. With deep learning algorithms, IDS can be trained to identify patterns and anomalies in network traffic, allowing it to detect and respond to cyber attack in real time. 2. Malware detection and prevention. Malware is malicious software designed to harm or exploit any computer system. With deep learning models, cybersecurity experts can identify and classify malware more accurately and efficiently. This means that they can develop better preventive measures and keep the network more secure. 3. Cryptography. Cryptography is the practice of securing communication from adversary. Deep learning algorithms are being used to improve the strength and efficiency of cryptographic algorithms. For example, neural networks can be used to create stronger encryption keys or to speed up the process of decryption information. 4. Cyber threat intelligence. Cyber threat intelligence refers to the information or knowledge that organizations will identify and respond to cyber threats. Deep learning is being used to analyze and process massive amounts of data from various sources to provide better insight and prediction of cyber threats. 5. Biometric security. Biometric security is the use of unique physical or behavioral characteristics of individuals to authenticate their identity. Deep learning algorithms can be used to improve the accuracy of biometrics authentication systems, such as facial recognition or voice recognition, making them more secure and less prone to errors. In conclusion, deep learning has emerged as a game changer in the field of cryptography and cybersecurity. With its ability to analyze large datasets, identify patterns, and make predictions, deep learning has helped make our networks and data more secure. We hope you found this video informative and interesting. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thank you for watching.